I'm very happy to recommend the course which FIAMC Biomedical Ethics Center is beginning in the middle of July. Over the years, FIAMC has conducted many courses and they have been much appreciated, helped doctors in their own medical competence, resolve moral issues for them, given them the principles and helped them very much in their professional work. I'm happy that this course is being organized. I want to congratulate and thank the trustees, particularly Dr. Nicholas Santau and the whole team for conducting this course. I warmly recommend this course to each one of you. God bless you.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Nicholas Santau, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, Executive Director and Managing Trustee of the FIAM Biomedical Ethics Center. I, together with Reverend Dr. Stephen Fernandez, have been running the FIAM Biomedical Ethics course for the last 16 years. This course is based on the epitome of ethics: do unto others what you would like others to do unto you. Friends, in life, we come across many mind-boggling ethico-moral issues from conception to death. This course is designed to equip you with knowledge and prepare you to make ethico-moral decisions and guide others in that direction. Over 1,000 people have benefited from this course. I invite you to register online for this course and experience the difference. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Joachim Rage, Senior Advocate and Additional Managing Trustee of FIAM. I'll be taking two topics for this year's course. One is the meaning and effect of a living will. As you know, under the Indian Succession Act, will takes effect only after death of a person. So what is this living will? What are the advantages and disadvantages of a living will? Second topic is about organs. You can donate organs, but you cannot sell your organs. It's forbidden in law. However, I'll be discussing a case status with you where a family is completely hungry and about to die. Then a rich person comes and says, sell one of your kidneys and you'll have enough money to live for the next 25 years. Does the man sell his kidney so that he saves himself, his wife and children? Or he says, this is unethical, I will not sell my kidney, come what may. Interesting topics. Looking forward to have you on this capsule. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Anupam Mittal, a consultant psychiatrist, professor and head of a medical college, Rajiv Gandhi Medical College in Thana. I am also the academic dean of this program. In the course of my work as a UNESCO head Western India network of bioethics, I came in contact with Father Stephen and Dr. Nicholas Santau of the FIAMC Biomedical Ethics Center, and they asked me to help them work with this course, and I was very interested. We have already made attempts to update the course in line with trying to achieve an international standard of a postgraduate diploma if possible in the coming years. We have altered the content, the topics, the resource people. We have altered the mode of delivery of the knowledge, of sharing of the knowledge, from didactic lectures to this year going online. A lot of group discussions, a lot of chat groups, a lot of WhatsApp groups, a lot of home assignments and projects to allow a more participative and interactive learning in this course, so that we can update and validate this course. Our success story this year is that we have been able to affiliate with the Nirmala Niketan College of Social Work, in a way providing some validity and credibility to this course in biomedical ethics. We hope that for many of you, this course will not only be an aspirational endeavor professionally, but also a journey of self-discovery personally in dealing with moral and ethical issues in healthcare of you, your family, and your community at large. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Armida Fernandez. I was a professor and Dean of Sion Hospital, where I worked for 35 years. And then I was the Medical Director of Holy Family Hospital. I also run two community projects. One is Sneha, that works with women and children across the slums of Mumbai. And also I run a palliative care center. FIAM runs an excellent course on bioethics, where I talk on the issues of palliative care and of senior citizens. Now, what is palliative care? Palliative care is dealing with patients with life-limiting disease, cancer, paralysis, dementia, chronic heart, liver disease. And it's not just the patient that suffers, but all the caregivers of these patients and also those who are dealing with homebound senior citizens suffer a lot of physical and mental stress, especially at the time of death. So these are the issues and the ethical issues that I deal with in this course.
Hi, I'm Lipin Dias, Principal of the College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan, an autonomous institute affiliated to the University of Mumbai. We are happy to network and co-brand the certificate course in bioethics, which will begin from July 2020 on virtual platform. This course will address the ethical, moral, religious and cultural issues arising in the socio-medical context of human behavior in society. It will empower you to handle the arising ethical and human rights domain. I encourage all of you to benefit from this course, to be enlightened with right perspectives and knowledge, to reach out and help others who face ethical dilemmas. So please enroll for this course, which begins in July 2020. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I am Father Stephen Fernandez, Professor of Ethics and Moral Theology, working with the FIAMC Biomedical Center for a number of years. This certificate course covers important moral life issues which will help everyone who does it to make correct ethical decisions. I highly recommend this excellent course which is taught in very simple language. Thank you.